Hello, welcome to my new YouTube tutorial. Today we are going to be painting some fresh onions using wet on wet technique and wet on dry technique. So let's get started. For this tutorial you can use either one or two brushes. I think one brush, 3 number brush or 3 or 4 number brush is more than enough for this tutorial. So let's begin. I am going to be using an alizarin crimson or a permanent rose to do the outer shell of your onion. Again, I'll be trying to do the whole painting without any prior sketching, something that I've been experimenting. I'm using 25% cotton paper, so the effect on a cotton paper would be much better. So this is a beginner's tutorial, and I feel that everybody would have a 25% cotton paper, and it's easily available. So hence I am working on a 25% cotton paper. Adding some Paynes grey to create some darker shade while it's wet, so it blends and mixes well. Adding some grey and mix of Paynes grey and permanent rose or alizarin crimson on the side. So in the beginning of the video I forgot to mention I will be switching to a thinner brush. I like using this brush for a lot of edges and small lines or thin lines. You can use a thin brush or a rigger brush if you have a rigger brush. Anything works well. So I like using this brush. It's a Princeston velvetouch brush. Works fantastic for my work, and does for me it does this exact same work as a rigger brush. So if you have a rigger brush you can use that too. If not, then go for a 2 number brush, works perfect, 2 or whichever thin brush you have. So we are making the insides like an open onion now. So creating these lines. This color is a mix of Paynes grey and your magenta or permanent rose or alizarin crimson, whichever color you want to use. Now let's add some shadow to the onion and create some nice lines and shadows. We need to create a shadow phase over here And on this itself, you can turn your brush and it can create these little lines. You can create these things in your, it's like a hack and helps you create some nice texture. You can see the brush, using the back of the brush. You can use that line using the back of the brush in a lot of places. While creating some leaves also, you can use that, the middle line of the leaf. And I'm going to add some leaves here. Nothing specific, but just on the sides. And then, as always, we're going to add some shadow to our painting. I'm going to do the shadow mix from same colors. Don't want shadow too much that side. And the shadow here, especially here, I want a lot of shadow there. And here. Okay. Has some color of the same color that is reflecting down in your shadow, and that's it. Almost done. I'm gonna just get some revamping work on the leaves and we're done. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next week with another interesting video. Thank you and bye bye.